What's up, guys? Well, apparently we have found ourselves in... Actually, I have no idea where this is at because it doesn't say. It doesn't tell you the cop's name. It just says a cop. And the title of it is Cop Tries to Do an Illegal Search on Judge and Gets in Trouble. And this comes from Body Camera Stories. So, Body Camera Stories. What does that sound like? Oh, well, I'm thinking about it. 82% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to their channel. Click the button and we'll move along. Body Camera Stories. Sounds kind of like Body Cam Declassified, right? Yeah, that's because I think this is a spin-off of Body Cam Declassified. Only difference is for this one, there's no description available. Audio tracks for some languages were automatically generated. Learn more. I'm not doing all that. You can tell pretty quickly that this video is going to be a fake. Now there's going to be people in the comment section. What typically happens is they'll read the thumbnail and they'll read the title. They won't watch the video and they will comment. Or they'll try and tell me, this is a real video. This is a real video. These videos are not real. Listen to the cop for one. And then let's wait and see what the judge has in his duffel bag that he's clenching like it's the ashes of his mother. So, like I said, don't know where this is supposed to be. All I know is it's supposed to be a laundromat. And this guy, I guess to make it look legit, is going to start filming the cop. So, here we are.
Oh, come on, buddy. What are we up to tonight? I got you sitting here.
A cop confronts a man in a laundromat, demanding to search his bag without a warrant. But under the Fourth Amendment, that's illegal without probable cause. When the truth about this man's identity comes out, you won't believe it. Watch what happens next.
In a laundromat with a big old bag looking heavy. I got complaints that you're looking suspicious.
Complaints that you're looking suspicious. Well, suspicion a misdemeanor or a felony.
People wondering what you're clutching your bag for.
Yes. 911, there's a guy in a laundromat clutching a duffel bag. Could you come check that out? Please stop.
What are we up to tonight? What do we got in the bag, buddy? What are we doing?
Why do you need to know what's in my bag?
Because I'm getting complaints, and now I've got to come into the laundromat in the part of town I don't want to be in.
Also, note this captioning that they have managed to put up there doesn't even go along sometimes with what the guy's saying.
I'd rather just be circling around and making sure no one's shooting at each other.
I'd rather be circling around, sitting in my car, not doing nothing. Now, that part is true. They would rather be doing that.
Instead, I got to come in here and deal with some old man with a duffel bag. So, what's in the bag, and are you going to show me, or do I have to take it myself and run you downtown?
I don't mind you showing the bag, but I won't be doing that today.
Okay. Well, you are going to be showing me what's in the bag. I've got complaints that you are looking suspicious. You got a heavy-looking bag. And so either you're going to tell me what's in the bag or I'll just take you downtown with me. Because are there firearms or something?
Do you have a warrant?
Do I have a warrant? I don't need a warrant if I have reasonable suspicion.
You need the bag. You need a warrant to search my bag.
No.
I'm not sitting here. What, if my socks are clogging up the steak?
I'm telling you, I'm getting complaints that you're a problem, or I'm making you a problem because everyone's
Now I'm making you a problem.
saying that you're suspicious, and you're down here clutching on your bag. So what's inside the bag? What's so important?
I'm holding my bag, and since you don't have a warrant, you can't search my bag.
Are you trying to go the whole lawyer route now or something? We're in the shitty part of town. You're just a random dude, and now you want to pull the law on me. Like, I don't do the law for a living.
Just sitting here washing my clothes. That's all I'm doing.
Right. So am I going to have to use my cuffs, or are you going to tell me what's in the bag? If it's a firearm and I have to detain you and cuff you and stuff you, I got no problem with that. But if you try to get some funky business on me, we're going to go that whole route, buddy.
I do not have anything in my bag that's not belonging in the bag.
Well, that's really an interpretation at this point, right? Like, you might think it belongs in the bag, but to me, what is it? Is it drugs? Is it firearms?
You still hadn't shown me a warrant. You still have not shown me a warrant.
If I have reasonable suspicion, which is a bunch of people calling and complaining and being fearful for their safety and the neighborhood safety.
Where are all these people at this doing?
You think the people that called scared of you are hanging out in here?
Well, how else would they see him clutching that bag. How would you know he's in a laundromat?
These are the people that I'm not worried about you messing with. These are the people like you. This is the young version of you.
These are the people like you.
Out here causing trouble at 11:30 at night. Doing what?
Just because I have a bag in my hand with my clothes, washing at a laundromat, washing clothes, and you decide to come up to me and start talking about how I got something heavy in my bag and that it looks suspicious and all of this stuff. Why are you doing that?
Well, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. Is that the truth? Is that what's in there? Is it closed? Because I asked you, is there drugs? Is there weapons? Is there anything to concern? And you said, oh, I don't have to show you. Law, as if you're a lawyer. Now, if it's closed, then we don't got a problem, do we?
Do not have to show you what's in this bag.
But if
I'm sitting here minding my own business.
Right. But have you ever heard that you get more flies with sugar than honey? Or honey than sugar? Or whichever way it goes? Whichever way it goes, the point is if you tell me what's in the bag, I don't have to worry about
It doesn't go either way like that.
you, and I give you some freedom, right? Some of those freedoms you want to tell me that you know about with the law. But if I have to take your freedom away, it's because you're making me fearful.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not bothering anybody in here. I'm just minding my own business. You decided to come in here, walk over to me with all of these other people in here. You walk over to me and say, I have something suspicious in my bag.
No, that's not what happened. I didn't randomly come in here. We've got calls of complaints, which is the reasonable suspicion that I mentioned, and now you're trying to double back on, as if it isn't in my corner. That reasonable suspicion is why I'm here. People are suspicious of you, and they want to know what's in that big bag of yours that you seem so clutched to, because that's the type of way you hold a bag when you've got something you don't want someone taken from you, like illegal money or guns or drugs.
I don't want nobody to take this stuff from me.
Well, why is that?
My property.
And it's just your clothes? It's just your clothes.
It's my clothes.
So why would it matter that you need to clutch on it so seriously?
Because they're mine.
Okay, but what does that matter?
Because they're mine. Why
would anybody come to the laundromat be interested in your clothes? Like, that's such a stupid point. Like, work with me. What are you telling me? They're your clothes? No shit.
They're my clothes. So why would you want to come and take a look at my clothes? Why
I
take a
don't.
look at my bag?
I want to know what's in it because people are worried about the way you're not doing laundry. You're clutched on it. At this point, let me just take it myself. Listen, I'm going to confiscate this myself.
What's in this bag?
Are you finally...
Now watch how nervous this cop pretends to get as he goes in this bag.
going to show me?
Yeah.
It better not be a firearm or anything bad.
All right, sir.
It better not be anything bad because I have my cuffs ready to go. I swear to God, I'll run you downtown.
I will show you what's in my bag.
If there's a gun, slowly.
You know.
What, you got like a blanket or... Oh, you got...
Not only does he have his robe, he brought his gavel with him. Please stop with this stupid fake videos.
Some kind of like dress or something in there. Slowly, I swear to God, if there's a weapon snuck in there. I got my hand right here. Do you see my hand? It's on my hip.
This is what is in my bag, right here.
Judge?
I am the judge. Who will be presiding over your FOP tomorrow.
You're Franklin Carter?
What? Wait, he put some random robe on, and now all of a sudden the cop recognizes him? So fake.
Judge Franklin.
Excuse me, Your Honor. I'm so sorry, Your Honor.
Excuse me, there's no excuse. I'm going to be presiding over your docket tomorrow.
Oh my God.
And I will be adding an assault and also threatening my body, threatening my person.
There's no need for a complaint, sir. Like, we don't need to add anything. Like, we don't add anything to the docket. There's enough in the docket. I'm not...
I'll be adding other things to the docket because you walked in here, violated my rights by walking in here, walking over to me, asking to see what's in my bag without a warrant.
I knew you went to Ohio State, Your Honor. I didn't know, Your Honor, Dr. Carter.
It's too late for that. It's too late for that.
I'm so sorry.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna go back on my route, and I'm so sorry. I guess I'll see you in the morning, but please don't add anything to the docket, please.
Please don't add anything. Yes. Anyway, this is getting more and more ridiculous by the day with these damn videos. They are kind of humorous though, but What's even more humorous is I think some people believe them. So let's see what the comments have to say. Yes, this isn't full screen, so the comments are a little further down. Need to stop these fake incidents. There are enough real encounters. Stop this crap. Yes, wouldn't you think? I hope that cop gets fired. Exactly. These are fake. It's all the same guys on planes and diners and stores that make no sense. The whole dialogue just sounds weird. It does, because it's obviously fake. Yep, poorly written, poorly acted, poorly directed, background actors, judge carrying his gavel around and washing it with his judicial. It doesn't even matter. They don't even. There's etiquette for the robes in court, and they don't even take them and wash them in public laundromat. And the cop wasn't nearly as stupid and violent as a real one. How does the gavel do in the dryer? Sad thing is that this scene is blued by so many. Yes, that makes more sense than a judge in a laundromat. I had no idea. I have no idea why they do these fake videos. I thought this sounded a little off, so tried to find a story through web search. Nothing found. There are enough true stories about racial biases. There's no need to make up stuff like this. Absolutely. The guy in the back holding up a t-shirt that says I pooped today. The t-shirt was at least real and funny as hell. The rest you could tell was a setup. Yes. Get him, Your Honor. I'm tired of these cops escalating a non-situation. Here we go. It's a fake video. Why don't you guys quit it with those fake videos? These guys are all actors. This older man was a detective in another video, but the education is good. Staged, yes. Same cop in every video. Part of town cop doesn't want to be in. It's exactly where he should be. This cop is a criminal to abuse the man. Start putting them in jail. Please stop. Fake as a $9 note. This is fake. This guy's voice is used in other videos. Fake, fake, fake. Yes. I'm waiting for somebody to say, no, it's not. I saw it on the news. The beginning of the video, it says the audio is auto-generated. Definitely fake. I agree. This has to be fake. My thoughts exactly. Too late, officer. You already violated my rights. Now you can pay. No. Fire that cop. He isn't a real cop, so that might be difficult. A cop on the streets of America says, I can give you some freedom if you comply with my demands. Among the most outlandish things I have ever experienced, and I am in my 80s. Well, in a laundromat minding business, tyrant cop slacking on the job by going into the laundromat to harass someone who has a duffel bag that probably just had his dirty laundry in it. Hope the judge threw the book at the cop. The cop was lying and used every dirty trick he could. He even the fly with honey quote, completely wrong. Yes, that was wrong. The cop needs to be fired and never allowed to work and call law enforcement again. Nah, it's fake. Though these scenarios are staged, they are a true reflection of societal norms that happen on a daily basis. While some may have a flair for humor, let's not lose sight of the fact that some of these situations are quite serious and should be brought to the attention of those who are in these positions of authority. Cop is a racist, please stop. He's in a laundromat and he's got a heavy-looking bag. Gee, I wonder what it could be. Effing tyrant. Changed his tone super quick. I hope this judge rips him apart for that. Where'd it go? Oh. Sheesh, don't worry, it's fake. Okay, it's fake. Figured. Anyway, That's where I would. This one, let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, 82% of people watch these videos are not subscribed to their channel. Click the button and we'll move along. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'm out.